Hello students, let's understand about multiplication of fractions. Fractions you have already seen my previous videos and I hope you have understood. Now, what is multiplication of fractions? So, product of two fractions. Product means when we multiply two things, it's called as product. So, product of two fractions is P of numerator, means product of numerator divided by product of the denominator. Numerator and denominator, I hope it's clear. If we write 3 by 7, so 3 will be the, if I write 3 by 7, then 3 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. So I hope you have understood. Product of two fractions is product of the numerator divided by product of denominator. So we are doing two questions here which are part of your book R.D. Sharma. So you can go through this. Multiply 3 1 by 8 by 4 10 by 11. So what we are doing, we have got mixed fractions here. Ma'am has taken mixed fractions to make you understand better. So again we will go to this, how we will make the mixed fraction into proper fractions. So 3 into 8 plus 1 by 8, it will become this. For converting into the proper fraction, we will do like this. Here 4 into 11 plus 10 by 11. So it will be 8 into 3, 24 plus 1 by 8 into, here we will do 4 into 11, 44 plus 10 by 11. So this will come out as 25 by 8 into 54 by 11, that is 1350 by 88. Now I am dividing both sides with 2. When I divide both sides with 2, then it will come 44 and 675. So 675 by 44 can be written in the form of a mixed fraction, that is 15 by 44. Okay. So I hope you have understood this, that how multiplication of two fractions can be easily done, of two mixed fractions. Now come to multiplication in which a square is involved. So each side of a square is given 6 2 by 3 meter. So I have shown you this square here, 6 2 by 3 meter. I have converted this mixed fraction as 6 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. So it will become 18 plus 2 by 3, that is 20 by 3. So each of the sides is of 20 by 3 meter length. Now area of square, you know L square, or which means it is side square. Here I have considered L as side. If I take 6 2 by 3 meter equal to L, so that is L square. So 20 by 3 into 20 by 3 meter square, that will become area of this square, that is 400 by 9, which can be written as 44 4 by 9 meter square. So area of this square will be 44 4 by 9 meter square. So I hope as product of two fractions is clear to you, that is product of numerator divided by product of denominator. So you can do more sums which are related to fractions. Product of the fractions, and I will deal with more sums in my other videos. So all of you can subscribe to my videos which covers courses of science, maths and English in bilingual, that is both English and Hindi, and plus some other topics also which I consider it's good and it will be helpful for the students for the coming examinations and coming. So you can subscribe to my channel and you can press the bell icon to get the notifications. As during this lockdown period, ma'am is putting more and more videos for the students to benefit. So thank you and have a nice day.